Hello, my name is Dominic and welcome to my 33-day live reset series. I'm a local author, pen maker and history lover, and every day we go on a side quest. Let's start with sumac we made yesterday. Sumac. The burl of alder tree. And we have alder tree. And we have ash. Ash tree. This one is called carob. We have two colors. And we have a carob. And all of these are ready for the website. So I have prepared pine cones. And this one is ready for curing in the pressure chamber. Today, we are exploring Cramond Beach, one of Edinburgh's most stunning coastal gems, where the River Almond mingle with the Firth of Forth. This picturesque beach has been a beloved gathering spot for centuries, offering breathtaking views across the Fife and the iconic Cramond Island, which can be reached by a tidal causeway during the low tide. The area was once bustling industrial hub with mills powered by the River Almond, but today it's a peaceful retreat where locals walk, birdwatch and explore the rocky shoreline. And let me tell you, it was so windy today that I felt like a sailboat out there, nearly got blown away to Fife. Cramond's history goes much deeper than the scenic beauty. This was once the site of major Roman fort called Caerhun, established around 142 AD period when Rome pushed into Scotland. The fort housed around 500 Roman soldiers and served as a crucial supply base and harbor for the Roman fleet navigating the Firth of Forth. Archaeological excavations have uncovered remarkable artifacts, including the stunning lioness sculpture devouring her prey, Roman bathhouse remains, and evidence of the fort's sophisticated infrastructure that once dominated this strategic coastal position. I really hope you enjoyed today's side quest. If you liked the video, please share it with friends or check links in the description. See you again tomorrow. Thank you.